All right, today is a whole trailer full garbage. Can't see underneath it, but it is completely packed with bags from the kitchen and the other rooms. Can't really open that too well, but there's a whole back end of that is full to the top with some lighter weight stuff. That was all out here yesterday. Over here, so it's been going away slowly. Today was another cleaning day. Still have to get into that porch. Maybe tomorrow. So this was the room I went through today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to get rid of all these cabinets or not. They're really gross. I don't know if they'll clean out. Hard to say. And everything full of food. So there it is, all clear except for all that gross juice down there and down there. Oh, it still smells though. Not sure if I can save that refrigerator. But we'll see. Haven't really done much in that room yet. Cleared out this room, this bathroom here. So it's mostly cleaned out. And then I took on the poop room today. Oh yeah, I cleaned out this room. Still got a little ways to go, but this was all filled with poop in here. This is a little foyer coming in. There's the main doorway there. But we'll go back up the stairs. I didn't obviously get these bags all cleaned up. Didn't do any of these two bedrooms. That'll be another day, maybe tomorrow. Or this bathroom. Can only do so much. But this, oh yeah. That's what you like to see. Was the pile of poop right there. So that's all gone. Thank God. And this room here, got most of the crap out of here. So we're in pretty good shape in these rooms. So a couple of bedrooms to go. Been throwing stuff out this window here. Not too bad. The windows in this place aren't terrible. Some people are asking, are you wearing protection? And just so you see, I have a mask on at all times in the house until we get it a lot cleaner. And I usually have some gloves that I've been throwing away each day. So there's where we are today. It's been a long day, but it's been a good one. All right, have a great day.